Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to do the double crochet stitch. If you've been following along with my videos for absolute beginners, then you've been following along with each step from how to make a slip knot to how to make a chain, and we learned the slip stitch and the single and the half double crochet, and today we're going to learn the double crochet. So if you're ready, and you have your hook and you have your chain ready, let's go ahead and get started. Just like with the half double crochet, you're going to start with a yarn over, and we're going to insert our hook into the fourth chain from the hook. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and insert our hook into that chain. We're going to yarn over and pull up a loop, just like with the half double crochet. But with the double crochet, you're going to yarn over and pull through twice. Let me show you. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So like with the half double crochet, you pulled it through all 3 loops at one time. With the double crochet, you're going to pull through twice. So let's do it again. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2, and you've made another double crochet stitch. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert into the next hook or next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, you're going to pull it through the first 2, yarn over again, pull it through the last 2. And you've made another stitch. Yarn over, insert it into the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2. And now you're making a nice foundation row of double crochet. I'm going to work my way all the way across to the last chain on the hook here. Just follow along with me. You're making a double crochet. You got this. Yarn over, insert it, pull up a loop, hold on to the bottom of that chain as you're making your foundation row. It'll make it so much easier for you. But you got 3 on your hook, you're going to pull it through 2 and then pull it through the last 2 on the hook. Here we go. Pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2. Let's do it again. Start with a yarn over, insert into the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, and pull it through 2. Let's keep going. Yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2. Start with a yarn over, insert into the next chain, pull up a loop. See, I'm holding on to that chain at the bottom all the way. Start here. When I start making my stitch, I just move over a little bit. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's make our next one. And then pretty soon you're going to be done with that whole row. This is the hardest row in crochet, is your foundation row, because you're working off of just a chain instead of the tops of your stitches, which makes it so much easier. But you can do this. Just hang on to the bottom of your chain until you make it all the way across. So we're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Start with a yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Almost to the end. You've got this. almost to our last stitch. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then this very last chain of your row, it can get a little bit tight, but that's okay. You can still do this. Let's go ahead and yarn over. Use the tip of your needle if you have to push it through. And pull up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And that's the last stitch of that row. And you have just completed a beautiful row of double crochet. If you like this video, I would love it if you would subscribe and give it a like, and keep following along as I get you started learning how to crochet. Have a beautiful day. Take care.